In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Docusign document for signature. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to apps.docusign.com and you want to sign into your account. Once you've done this, you can either start from scratch, so you can go over here, click on start, it's going to create an envelope, and then you can just drag and drop your files in here. So what this basically means is, in case you already have like an agreement or a document, whatever you want to sign, you can just drag it in here, and as you can see, you'll be able to view it and then proceed on with the steps. However, if you don't have this and you'd like to create one, what you can do over here, let me just delete this really quickly and discard, you can also start from a template. Now if you go to home over here, you can see it's going to say use a template. You can click on that and then you can search from different templates. So there's going to be a bunch of different ones over here, and then once you find the one you like or need, or of course you can create one yourself as well in another program, you can just click on, for example, over here, sales contract, click on that and click on add selected. Then it's going to start loading, creating your envelope, and then there we go. Here we have our sales contract. You can view that, and as you can see, there's a bunch of things on here. Now, once you do this over here, you want to either, if you are the only signer, you can check that over here. But of course, for this instance, we're not going to do that. We're just going to leave it as that, and we're going to basically put in the name of the buyer. So you have to put in the name and then the email of them, and then you have to put in the action over here if they need to sign, in-person signer, if they receive a copy or need to view, and you can even customize this if you want to add a private message or add an access code. Now you'll have to do this for each and every single one of these. For this instance, I'm just going to basically put myself for every single one over here. And you can even add recipients in case that's something you want to do for your specific document up here. Now, once you've done this, you have to put in the email subject and then the email message as well, and then you can click on next over here. Now, once you do this over here, as you can see, it's going to say duplicate recipients found. This is because I've just put in the exact same recipient over here, which is, of course, me in every single case. So what we're going to do over here is we're going to just delete this for this instance. And then you're going to come to this second page where you can just basically edit this. Now, what you have to do is you will have to put in these fields on the left. So you have to read through the agreement or whatever you're doing. And as you can see, some things will already be put in. So for example, here, it's going to be the full name. It's going to be put in already. The signage is going to be put in already as well. And then the date signed is going to be put in too. But if you want to do whatever else, so whatever here on the left, for example, like names, emails, etc., you can just put that in by dragging it like this. So for example, date signed, you can put it like here, over here like this, and then there we go. As you can see, you can put it whatever you want, change the formatting, etc. Now, you can do this for, of course, your specific document, and then once you're happy with that, click on preview top right. And here you'll be able to see the desktop, the tablet, and the mobile preview of your document. You can just start it, and there we go. You can go ahead, sign it, and see how that's going to look. When you're happy, click on the X button, and you can then just send it via the send button over here, and then you've successfully done it. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.